Hi guys, in this video I provide you the review of Xiaomi Robot Vacuum e10. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss an important feature of this product. As you can see, these are the specifications of this product. The name is Robotic Vacuum Cleaner and the model number is this B112. Main unit dimensions 325 into 80 mm. Rated power 35 W. Rated voltage 14.4 volt. Charging voltage 20 volt. Battery capacity 2500 mAh. Rated capacity 2600 mAh. Nominal capacity. Let's talk about charging dock. Charging dock model. CD is at W112. Rated input 20 volt and 0.6 A. Rated output 20 volt 0.6 A. Product dimensions 146 into 122 into 87.5 mm. Let's look at the reviews. As you can see, these are the reviews provided by the people on the official website of MI. As you can see, only one review is available as of now related to this product. And this is the 100% positive review, as you can see. And this is the most recent review of August 2024, as you can see on the screen. So if you find this video helpful, so make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.